Right, all back together. I haven't put that on yet. So yeah, let's plug it in, see if it works. Well, it did, but the switch was off. So I think I'm going to have to replace that switch. And it knocked off after so long, so I'm going to switch it back on again and press the cold shot button and see what happens then. Right, that's working perfectly, apart from the switch. So I've unplugged it, obviously now, because it stopped. So take all these out again. And it's just a matter now of just replacing that switch, hopefully. So it shouldn't be too bad. I wouldn't mind, but I tested that switch, but they can get a little bit susceptible to heat. Really what I should do is use low melt solder on it, because it's not under any undue stress or anything. I'll just have a check of this motor and actually see what it's like under the microscope. It's pretty clear, that, actually. Yeah, the motor's clear, that's fine. So that's fine. So now then, switches you can get hold of, motors you can get hold of, everything you can get hold of, except these pads for the back of the switch. You can't get them anywhere. So we are unplugged. So again, take these out. To the black wire. my knife? There's my knife. There he is. So let me just check that with my multimeter. Beeping. Off. Oh. Right. So there's something wrong. That switch. Yeah. So it was testing alright. Now it out. Defund. Let me check this switch. It's working. Fine. Right, just unsolder that then. So yeah, we've got all the switches. They come, all my switches come without this fly lead that goes to your cable. So you will have to reuse that doing it. Right. Let's take that out. Just a quick swap over. No, I haven't. Put some fresh heat sink on. Let me just get rid of it all. Just throw that switch around. Let me just do this. Ow. Don't touch something that you've only just unsoldered, because it'll still be quite warm. Right, there we go. So what you don't want to do is put this through and then have it sticking out. You want it going straight, really. That's what I do. Put it on there, and I just straighten it up a bit. Yeah, that's perfect there. Shrink that down. Try again. Get rid of that. Go. Get that out of the way. That under there. Out of the way. Perfect. So that's the way that you want it really. You want your cables just going over, tucking under your switch lug there, leave that all free, bringing your screw through. So you just tease that in, push it down, turn it over and have a look. Let's take that out, because that, unfortunately, that screw's not doing anything. There you are, lined in there. And don't go too daft with these screws, because it's only plastic on that other side and you'll end up stripping them. Once you've stripped that plastic, it's hard to repair it, very hard. Unless you've got a 3D printer, then yeah, fill your boots. Right, let's try it again. So it's not an easy repair, isn't the thermal fuse, really. The motor in first, I think that might be a good idea. I'm going to put the handle back on. In there. Perfect. Right, let's change that for that. Just put one screw in it for now at the top, and that bottom one. No, I'm going to put them all in, because I'm confident. Famous last words there. Right. I'm going to put the trim back on as well. There we go. What I need. There we go. Alright, what you want to do with this really is just put it in the position it should go in. So line your buttons up. Now just give it a tap. Right, so that's on the off position. Let's turn it on. Right, let's have a look. Switch it on. Press the switch, cold stop switch. It goes off. All working now. I've just got to put the handle back, give it a clean up. Job done. So yeah, that's how you do thermal fuse repair, and a cold shot button repair, and a switch repair.